Today, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing HTML. So basically, today in HTML, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some forms. So basically, what I mean by that is these things. So I made this, and it's not too complex for me, but if you've never done HTML before, probably going to be like really hard for you. Um, well, we're only going to be focusing on this part right now. We don't want to get in the color and this part. So what we want to do is focus on this part, the submit button, the password, and the username. So what we want to do, we want to create a file called forms.html. Sorry, not slash HTML. And we copy our starter template and we put it right here. And we're going to name it forms. So what we need to do right now is we need to have a form tag so the forms can actually go in there. Okay. Now what you want to do, if you want to have a username, what you want to do is you have to do input type. Now don't ask me any questions about it. I don't know why it's called input type. That's just the way the code is. Um, if you want to do username, you would have to put in text in quotations. Okay, now if you want to do ID, you have to follow this format. And for ID, you don't really know what that is right now. So right now we're just gonna name it the same thing as text. Later on, when you'll need it, you'll you know what it is. So right now we don't need it, so we're gonna name it the same thing. Then name, we don't have to actually name it anything. We can just give it quotations. Remember, they have to be quotations for everything. Then what we want to do is give it the value. So basically what's going to be inside it. So over here, as you can see, the username is inside it, right? So it says username. I can just clear this out and write whatever I want. So for value, let's say user name. Okay, so let's try if it works. Forms.html. Oh, forms. I must have spelled it wrong. Forms. Forms.html. Guys, give me a second. Let me just figure this out. Hey guys, so see, what I figured out was I had CSS here instead of extra. You always gotta be careful of your website name, or it'll just say this page. So let's try it again. There we go. We got a username. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's try for a password. Gotta do the same thing here, so I'm just gonna copy it. But there are some few changes. So instead of text, we're gonna actually have to put password in this. So it doesn't just display text, it has to display like the dot 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 that hides your password. And we're gonna give the value of password. Even though you can't see it, we'll have something to fill in the space. Then we reload it. There we go. There's the username and the password. So if we were just to say, I'm writing anything, but it's all dots, and for username, again. So that was a pretty basic video, a pretty short video about forms, some of the forms. This is not all, this is only two of many. But yeah, this is username and password. So see you for the next video. Bye.